Hi, I'm Anna of Kosick and I am here at the Wattle Cafe kitchen. So I wanted to take a minute to talk about something that I rabbit on often in the cafe. So I want to compare why we don't use refined sugar and why we use dates to sweeten products like, for example, our bliss balls. So basically, refined sugar is, as much as it comes from a plant, either sugar cane or sugar beets, it is a heavily processed food. So the processing means that we strip away the dietary fiber, the minerals and the vitamins from the product, and what you end up with is a very heavily processed product, very refined, very concentrated version of sucrose. And what that means is that when you do consume it, you get that high and that low that you often feel when you have candy. So once you've had the candy, you will feel most likely either fatigue, irritability, and most likely feel a sugar craving shortly thereafter, because when you get that low, you're going to look for another thing to replenish and get you back onto that roller coaster, and it becomes a very, very hideous cycle. So we use dates. Why? Because dates are a great natural sweetener. They do the sweetening process, but they're also, because they're natural, they still have a lot of the dietary fibers. They have vitamins like B and K. They have minerals like potassium, magnesium, and they also have great antioxidants. So they also are, the sugars that you find in dates are your glucose, your fructose, and your sucrose. And because of the process of the way you consume it, the dietary fiber means that it goes into your system slower because it absorbs slower, and you get a much more leveled absorption, and you don't get that high and low that you often get from eating sugar. So our tip to you is cut out the sugar. Why? Or the refined sugar, because two reasons. One is it'll have a great impact on your wallet, because you won't be having to go to the doctors because you have issues with respect to the other part of it, the heart disease, the probability of obesity, the probability of type 2 diabetes, and dental issues, and a whole bunch of inflammation or inflammatory diseases like type 3 diabetes, which is often what they call Alzheimer's. So think twice about what you do to your diet, because making a smart choice around including nutrient dense or nutrient rich foods like dates in your diet will be a really good blessing for you, and you'll see the effects. You may not immediately see it, but you will over the long term, and I'm telling you, you'll save a bunch of money because you'll be healthier and happier for a lot longer, which is the whole purpose of why Wattle was created. Thank you.